Here's how to fix Discord no route RTC connecting problem. First, open Discord and click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. From the left-hand side, scroll down and select voice and video. Now, scroll all the way down and click on reset voice and video settings. Confirm the reset and then close Discord completely. Next, open the start menu and search for Task Manager. Open it and use the search box to find any Discord processes that are still running. Right-click on each Discord process and select End Task. After that, make sure you're not connected to a VPN or proxy. If you're already using a VPN, disconnect from it and try Discord again. If you're not using one, you can also try connecting to a VPN to see if that resolves the connection problem. If the issue is still there, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. This will clear your DNS cache. Once that's finished, close Command Prompt and launch Discord again to check if the RTC connecting error has been fixed. If you're still having the same problem and you're the owner or administrator of the Discord server, you can also try changing the voice channel server region. Open your Discord server and find the voice channel where you're having the problem. Right-click on the channel and select Edit Channel. Scroll down until you find Region Override. Change it from Automatic to a different available region. After that, click Save Changes. Now, try joining the voice channel again and check if the connection issue has been resolved. If you're still getting the RTC connecting error, you can try resetting your network settings. Close Discord, open the Start menu, and go to Settings. Select Network and Internet from left side, then open Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm the reset. Windows will reset your network settings, and you'll need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once your computer restarts, open Discord and check the voice connection again. Finally, if none of these methods work, the problem could be related to a Discord server outage. To check this, open your browser and search for Discord server status. Open the official Discord status page and check if there are any ongoing issues with voice services or other Discord features. If Discord is experiencing an outage, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.